Alrighty guys, good morning Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Hope everybody's doing well today. It's Monday morning. It's Uncle Tony here from Good House Floor Care. We're back to this beautiful development in Iron Station, North Carolina. This client found us here on Google back in, I believe it was October of 2025. We did a huge project for them. They just bought this beautiful home. We did some installation with full sanding downstairs, 7-inch engineered white oak. And then upstairs we did some engineered 5-inch Brazilian cherry to match some existing, not engineered, they had some solid Brazilian cherry in a hallway and pool table room that they did not want to remove. So we just sanded and refinished that, and we sanded and refinished the engineer that we installed in all the bedrooms to match with Jocko bean stain everywhere. So we're back today. They called us back. The only thing we didn't do was it was like a closet, I believe, and they were just going to leave that carpeted. But she called me back now to come back and install the same engineered flooring in there and sand it and stain it Jocko bean to match the room, because she's gonna make that like her little office. But anyway, we're here today and I'm gonna take you inside. I'll show you what we're up against. Alrighty guys, we're here, we're starting the installation. As you can see, this is how it started in all these rooms we did. And we sanded and refinished it, and we stained it Jocko bean. Comes out beautiful. Alrighty, check it out, we're water popping. Looks fantastic. Get some Jocko bean on this floor, laying down the stain. It's looking fantastic, as you can see. Alright guys, we got to seal it down. It's drying. Looking good. Last coat is down, it's drying. Shoe mold is on, the painter's gonna paint it. Look how good it looks. So I say once again, as always, thanks for watching.